In the modern world, inventive ideas and cutting-edge technology are continuously pushing the limits of what was previously thought to be feasible. These innovations, which range from innovative kitchen robots to cutting-edge boats, are the peak of human imagination and intellect. In this video, we are going to talk about amazing inventions you didn't know about. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 12. Moley Robotic Kitchen. It is a cutting-edge appliance that, thanks to its groundbreaking design, is able to execute hundreds of different recipes to perfection every single time. This kitchen is equipped with 2 robotic arms that, just like a human chef, can chop, stir, and cook food in exactly the same way. A digital recipe library is available for users to browse, and once they select the food they want to prepare, the robotic kitchen will begin preparing the materials and cooking the meal on its own. Number 11. EDAG CityBot. The EDAG CityBot is a self-driving, electric, and modular vehicle that was developed to meet a wide range of transportation requirements in metropolitan areas. It can be customized for a variety of functions, including deliveries, public transportation, and even mobile workplaces, as it is fitted with sensors and cameras that let it operate securely in urban situations. Number 10. Kiwa 110-meter motor yacht. It is a luxury yacht that provides the utmost comfort and leisure. It measures 110 meters in length. In addition to its vast living areas and beautiful cabins, it offers guests a spa, a cinema, a fitness center, and a swimming pool. Additionally, the boat is equipped with a hybrid propulsion system, which enables it to cruise in a manner that is both silent and effective. Number 9. Rhaetus Electric. It is a high-performance electric motorcycle that is capable of reaching speeds of up to 112 miles per hour. The frame is made of lightweight carbon fiber, and it has improved suspension for a ride that is both smooth and responsive. The vehicle has a range of up to 200 kilometers on a single charge. Number 8. Balmain B IT Slides. The Balmain B IT Slides are a fashionable and forward-thinking piece of footwear that combines technology with the world of fashion. Because they come with a small display screen that is capable of displaying individualized messages and graphics, they are ideal for use during events pertaining to branding and marketing. Number 7. Koenigsegg RAW Concept. The Koenigsegg RAW Concept is a futuristic, high-performance car that makes use of cutting-edge technology and materials to reach amazing rates of speed while maintaining a high level of fuel efficiency. A lightweight carbon fiber body, an electric drivetrain, and a top speed of almost 300 kilometers per hour are all features of this vehicle. Number 6. Railway Motorcycle. The railway motorcycle is a one-of-a-kind creation that combines the characteristics of rail transport and a motorcycle in a single innovative machine. Because it is capable of traveling on both roads and rails, it is ideally suited for use as a mode of transportation in secluded or difficult places. Number 5. Lumos Ultra Helmet. The Lumos Ultra Helmet is, without a doubt, a cutting-edge, forward-thinking product with a primary focus on rider protection. Its built-in lights and turn signals improve visibility in low-light circumstances, while the accelerometer provides a safety feature that can detect collisions and notify appropriate parties. The helmet is not only designed to be low in weight, but also comfortable to wear, making it an excellent choice for frequent bikers who place a high priority on both convenience and protection. The Lumos Ultra Helmet, in particular, is a fantastic illustration of how technology can be utilized to make commonplace activities safer and more pleasant for people of all ages. Number 4. Raptor Off-Road Caravan. It is an impressive invention that is perfect for people who love outdoor adventures. It has a robust suspension system that can handle rough terrain, making it perfect for off-road trips. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, and it includes a number of convenient features such as a kitchen, a bathroom, and a comfortable bed. The Caravan also has solar panels and a battery system that allow it to operate off-grid for extended periods of time. All of these features make it an excellent choice for people who want to explore the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Number 3. Mojo Eye Lens. The Mojo Eye Lens is a very astonishing creation that has the potential to fundamentally alter our understanding of what constitutes augmented reality. Users who want to access AR information but don't want to fuss with cumbersome headsets or displays can benefit from the streamlined and unobtrusive experience that this technology offers. Because the lens itself is a little screen that sits in front of the user's eye and can be added to the user's existing glasses, the device is highly convenient and simple to operate. Users may access an abundance of augmented reality material with the Mojo Eye Lens, ranging from instructions and notifications to intense gaming experiences, all while keeping their normal field of vision. Number 2. Sekizu. Sekizu is an innovative mental health program that combines technology and personalized care to help individuals manage their mental health. It uses AI to provide tailored recommendations for stress reduction, mindfulness exercises, and treatment resources. By analyzing user data, it develops personalized treatment plans and offers ongoing support. Sekizu aims to revolutionize mental health care and provide accessible support to those in need. Number 1. Fulcrum PowerPod. Any bicycle can be converted into a smart bike by using the Fulcrum PowerPod, which is a device that is both portable and compact. It is a device that is attached to the handlebars of the bicycle and offers real-time power data. This enables riders to monitor their performance and improvement. In addition to measuring power output in watts, the device also provides information on other metrics, including speed, cadence, and distance traveled. The PowerPod is adaptable to a wide variety of different bicycle models and may be moved around with relative ease from one bicycle to another. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.